Look at how futuristic your chart will look like with these magic TradingView indicators. It is amazing how accurate they are in all market conditions. Even a beginner with hardly any trading experience can apply this setup and profit with ease. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, I will teach you how to use these indicators correctly, as well as give you a full trading strategy with money management that is guaranteed to make you a consistent profit. All these technical tools are 100% free, and most importantly, no one knows about them yet. This is the reason you should hit that like button right now and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies to stay up to date with your technical analysis. It's worth mentioning that this technical analysis tool can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and Forex pairs. The most optimal time frames for this indicator are 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Traders, if you're tired of losing streaks and wish you had the guidance of a professional, we've found a solution for you: Easy Options Live Trading. Forget about confusion and blown-up accounts. From now on, you have the opportunity to follow the lead of a professional options trader who gets a consistent 80% plus win rate. His signals are highly accurate, and the process is very simple. All you need to do is attend daily live streams during market open and enter and exit trades along with Winger in real time. In addition, you'll learn high win rate strategies no one else teaches. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. Let me now show you how to apply these indicators to the chart step by step. First, log into your TradingView account and open the supercharts. Currently, I am viewing the Solana price on the 1 hour time frame. Navigate to Indicators and in a search tab type the name of the first indicator, Phantom Flow Trend Detector. Click on this script created by Phantom Flow. At first, you will see nothing on the chart. To make this indicator visible, double-click on any candle bar. This way, you will access the chart settings. Next step is to disable candle bodies and wicks. Now, your chart will look like this. The trend detector calculates waves on the chart using the built-in zigzag indicator and detects a trend change based on the highs and lows formed in the market. When you see a pink or light yellow trend color, it means that a new trend may potentially be emerging right now, and you can join it almost at the beginning. So, if you see patterns from your trading system aligning with the trend detector indicator and they have the same direction, it further increases the likelihood of your plan working out. In the case where the trend phase has a red or green color, it may indicate that the primary market impulse has already occurred, and therefore joining the trend at this time may not be advisable. However, you can still open a trade on a green or red candle at the very beginning. This way, your risk of opening a trade too late is still minimal. The Phantom Flow Trend Detector indicator is a trend filter. You cannot buy or sell security based on this tool alone. That's why we need to apply the second indicator to the chart. This script is called Supertrend X4 with Cloud Fill. Kush C is the author of this indicator. The indicator is easy to use and gives an accurate reading of an ongoing trend. It is constructed with two parameters, namely period and multiplier. The implementation of 4 supertrends and cloud fills allows for a better overall picture of the higher and lower time frame trend one is trading a particular security in. The default value used while constructing a supertrend indicator is 10 for average true range or trading period. A supertrend indicator can be used on equities, futures or Forex, or even crypto markets, and also on minutes, hourly, daily, and weekly charts as well, but generally, it fails in a sideways moving market. That's why, with this implementation, it enables one to stay out of the market if they choose to do so when the market ranges. It is highly advisable to experiment with the inputs to find the best settings for each time frame and market. For simplicity's sake, I will keep the inputs default. However, we will need to make some adjustments in the style section. Basically, uncheck the long and short labels for sets 1, 3, and 4. We will only consider the buy and sell signals issued by set 2. Now, it's time to add the final confirmation indicator to the chart. This tool is called Intraday Volume Rating by Honest Cowboy. The intraday volume rating aims to provide a clearer picture of what volume is telling you on intraday charts. The script counts the number of bars that exist in a day on your current timeframe chart. After knowing that number, it creates the matrix used in its calculations and data storage. Generally, when the market volume is increased, the volume bar becomes large and green. When the volume is low, the green bars are below the middle level. The top bars are grey. Every volume spike that happens in a trend continuation often results in further trend development. By using the volume indicator this way, our chances of success are increased to the maximum. All right, the trading setup is complete. Let's move on to the exact rules for opening buy and sell trades. We'll start off with a long trade example. The first rule is to have a long signal printed on the chart. This signal is issued by the fastest supertrend. To confirm this long signal, the rest of the supertrends have to be green. In no case should you open a trade if one of the supertrends is grey. Also, it is recommended to skip a trade if all supertrends switch from bearish to bullish at the same time. Such a sharp move often results in a correction. Be aware of this. The second rule says that at the time of the signal, the candle bar must be green. If you choose to open a trade on a yellow or purple bar, it's also fine. Lastly, check the volume histogram before placing a trade. The bar must be large. It also must be green. It's a good idea to compare its size to previous bars. If the size is big enough to result in a price increase, you can expect the same result in the near future. Open a long trade at the close of the price bar if all conditions are met. Set the stop-loss order a couple of pips below the supertrend. Target a minimum of 2 times the risk. Now let's look at an example of a short trade. First, wait for the supertrend to produce a short signal. Second, ensure the rest of the supertrends are negative. Third, check the candle bar. It must be red. Finally, look for a strong volume bar formed at the time of the signal. Open a short trade at the close of the price bar. Set the stop loss a couple of pips above the supertrend line. Target a minimum of 2 times the risk. Traders, I'm happy to share this strategy with you. Be sure to backtest this or any other trading strategy you find on Magic Indicator Strategies. Thanks for watching. Till next time.